Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we have a very special property to present to you. This is Bridport on Conningham Road here in Beltinge in Herne Bay. Now, as you saw right at the beginning of the video, we are in an incredibly exclusive location here with the seafront literally steps away. Now, if the location isn't a fantastic thing about this property alone, you'll see we have the opportunity to own a detached Edwardian bungalow here in Beltinge. Now, looking at the front of the property here, you can see just the enormous amounts of character that we have within this beautiful property, and the plot itself, how sumptuous is that? Even at the front you can see you've got that beautiful secluded spot up here by the seafront. Now, coming through into the main living space of the property, it really does take your breath away. You've got this incredible parquet flooring throughout here, and you've got this incredible ceiling height as well. The beams here, and of course the wood features and the fireplace really do draw your eye. Now, looking just at the end of this main living space here, you can see that we've got the doors leading out onto the rear garden, and again we'll go out into that space a little bit later on in the tour, but for now we're going to go and take a look around this incredible detached Edwardian bungalow. So let's go through and take a look at one of the bedrooms within the property. Now, you'll see that the property does need some updating work in places, and of course we really do ask that you take this into consideration when viewing the property. And just to show you a little example of a little bit of the work that needs to be done here within the property, just have a look there on the ceiling of the bay window. But again, look at that little feature window there on the right hand side. You've got those beautiful tall ceilings here as well, and coming back into this ever impressive main living space here. I mean, how could you ever grow tired of walking through your front door and seeing this space? Now, we're just going to go onto the other side of the property now and take a look at a further 2 bedrooms and of course the main family bathroom here in the property. So just off of this second sort of entrance hallway space here, we find ourselves going through into a beautiful double bedroom. Got that really impressive bay window there at the front, and then of course the windows at the sides. You've got that fantastic double aspect here, and it's really private. You can see just from that characterful bay window there at the front, just the amount of light that it lets flood straight through and into the room. And again, you have those lovely tall ceilings here, and again, characterful features are really in abundance here within Bridport. Now, just going to go across now and take a look at the main family bathroom here. Of course, really nice size, plenty of space here to work with. You've got the bath and the shower unit there with the loo and the sink as well. Now, as I was saying a little bit earlier on in the tour, there is an amazing opportunity here to really breathe some new life into this beautiful detached Edwardian bungalow. Coming through into the second bedroom here, again, fantastic size, not bad at all. And then again, little characterful window there, just overlooking the rear garden. And again, we will go into that garden a little bit later on in the tour, but just a little sneak peek there. You can see what an amazing amount of space that we have, and again, so secluded. So what we're going to do now is just come back across the main living space of the property and go and take a look at the kitchen. You'll also see that we've got a study. Then the room has been used as a bedroom in the past, but again, really interesting little space to use. But just a little bit of emphasis on this amazing space leading us out to the rear garden here. You can see the veranda just above us there. Again, what an amazing garden that we'll go and take a look at a little bit later on in the tour. So let's go through to the kitchen now, take a look at that space. You've got again the study, which has been used as a bedroom in the past, and then we'll go through and take a look at the garage space. So coming through into the kitchen again, really fantastic amount of space. You've got that sort of incorporated dining or breakfast area there, so again, really nice size. Everything nicely tucked away here. Again, the opportunity to create something new here in this space modernise it, update it a little bit, but without taking away too much of the character. I mean, how many times do you get that sort of opportunity in the marketplace at the moment? So again, beautiful tall ceilings as you would expect in the age of the property. And then coming back just through to the side here, you can see again, really interesting bit of space. It has been used as a bedroom in the past, but at the moment currently being used as a bit of a study space here. And again, you can see just that half crescent from the fireplace in the main living room there, just on the side. So let's come through now and take a look at the impressive amount of garage and utility space now. So just coming through here, of course, you can see on the right hand side we've got the access back out to the front, and then of course this space here really conveniently placed, plenty of storage here. And again, just now taking a look at that really handy cloakroom as well there. So let's go and take a look at the rear garden now, take a look at that space, and we'll also recap a few points on the property whilst we're out there. So here we are now going through into the rear garden, just taking a look at all of that wonderful garden space. This beautiful secluded spot tucked away up here on Conyngham Road here in Beltinge. Now again, I go back to that exclusive nature of the location. There's not many properties at all that ever pop up around here, especially not ones that offer this amount of character and beautiful opportunity to settle so close to the seafront. Now this property does of course offer an amazing opportunity to create something brand new, but to also bring in those characterful features of the Edwardian period. You can really mix the two so well here. The main features that you have being that fireplace, those beautiful tall ceilings, and then of course all of that ground floor living space. It is absolutely fantastic. So whilst we're having a look around the rear garden, we're just going to recap a few points here on the property as we walk around. So you'll see again that exclusive location. You've got that beautiful amount of space not only to the rear but also to the front. You've got that amazing amount of character here, and of course this garden is absolutely beautiful, a proper sized garden to go with a gorgeous sized house. Of course this is a 3 to 4 bedroom detached Edwardian bungalow property located in Conyngham Road here in Beltinge in Herne Bay. And again, just taking a look at the space there at the side, you do of course have that side access up as you're looking at the plot from the front up on the right hand side leading through to the garage. So really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at this beautiful property with us today.